My name is Juan, and I've been here for almost 5 months. My experience here at Cornerstone Building Brands, I feel like it's a lot better than other companies. We have better insurance. The hours that we actually have has been manageable with my lifestyle. We come in at about 5:50 in the morning every morning. We go over everything that we have to go through the day, wear our PPE, and make sure we're safe around the equipment. Other companies that I used to work at, they didn't really care. They didn't really provide us with the safety equipment that we needed. Well, when I first started here at Cornerstone Building Brands, everybody saw me just as a rookie. I had to really show myself that I was actually worth, but they're actually giving me the opportunity to teach me how to fit. So I can be a welder / fitter. So they're actually giving me opportunities for me to grow in the company. It's all a big family. I feel like if you're a young welder, I feel like it's a good company to start out with.